Vive, simple scalable wireless lighting controls for new and existing commercial buildings. Today, we're unboxing a Vive Hub. This device is part of a Vive system. Vive works as a simple system. You can create a Vive system in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose load controllers. Step 2, choose personal controls. And step 3, choose sensors. There's an added 4th optional step, which is to select a smart hub to add intelligence. The hub comes in 3 types: Starter Hub, Basic Hub, and Premium Hub. Today I'm unboxing a Starter Hub. Inside you'll find the Vive Hub with setup instructions, a power supply and junction box, a spare terminal block, and an instruction manual. The hub is either flush mounted in spaces with dropped ceilings or surface mounted in areas with solid ceilings. Installation of the Vive Hub above metal ceilings or tiles with a metal backing is not recommended. The Vive Hub smart enables the other Vive devices. It is perfect for all spaces where the total device count is high and an app is required for ladderless commissioning and programming. It's also required if the customer wants energy reporting, 365-day scheduling, a visual control dashboard, and management with space utilization and system integration. You will need one hub to cover an area of up to 1,000 square meters and at least one hub per floor. You can have one for a system or up to 64 hubs in a network. Installing a Vive Hub allows you to scale a Vive system from a simple single room setup all the way up to multiple floors or even across multiple buildings. This hub provides a connection point for the rest of the devices in the system. You can count on it always working through Lutron's ultra-reliable ClearConnect wireless protocol. This product is perfect for facility managers, electrical contractors, and integrators in any commercial environment, old and new.